This video is on the first 4 steps of the scientific method. So the first step is make an observation and state the problem. The first step, you're going to ask a question by making observations and defining a problem. The purpose is to make observations, define a problem, or ask a question. An observation is a way to view and analyze the world around us or natural phenomenon. Observations are made through the 5 senses, including sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste. Next, you're going to conduct research. Go out and find as much information on the topic as possible. Research finding required information for an investigation. You're going to read peer-reviewed journals. So if you're studying something on cells, there's a peer-reviewed journal called Cell Biology. So you're going to read those peer-reviewed journals to make sure you're getting accurate information. Look for false information and check sources to ensure validity of the information. So you don't want to be pulling from somewhere like Wikipedia or something like that as you conduct your research. So you need to be able to weed out all of the negative research that you may read. Next, you'll form a hypothesis. That's forming an opinion, but it is based on credible information about how or why something happens. It is an educated guess. You're not just going to say, well, I think if it's raining outside, the sky is going to be bright neon green. Well, that wouldn't be a very educated guess. So that's why you conduct research prior to forming a hypothesis. Your hypothesis is an if-then statement of cause and effect. So if it is going to rain outside, then the sky will be gray. That would be an educated guess of cause and effect. Inductive reasoning would be your ability of a scientist, and you are a scientist, to draw from knowledge and experience to make a general explanation. So the third step is forming that hypothesis based on what you already know. And then you're going to test the hypothesis. So you're either going to refute or verify your hypothesis. Refute means to disprove. Verify means to prove it correct. In a scientific experiment, you have to give accurate and measurable results. If you don't give accurate or measurable results, then it's not a valid scientific experiment. So when you design your experiment, you have to be able to have some kind of quantitative data to explain what you've witnessed. So there might be a lab where you're looking at something that would be a qualitative observation, but you have to quantify it in a certain way.